Hello everyone, I hope everyone is well. Now I scrap unlimited data from Apollo. Uh, this is my free account, but I scrap unlimited data. Okay, save. So you see, this is my free account. This is update option. I click. This is free account. Okay, and I clean wall filter. Now already I save 1.3 data and I save more 179 data. You can see how I save it. First I select 24, apply and save, again save. Just wait, my internet is slow. If you need Apollo data scraping service, please contact me. I will give you unlimited data scrapped from Apollo, just a low price. I do not use any tools or scraping script, is just from Apollo. Or if you learned the method how you scrap unlimited data from Apollo, please contact me. I will give you everything. Just next. Now 107 data, 24, select and save, again save. Now I back, go to one page, select 24, apply. This is my free account. Okay, again I see you. This is totally free account. Okay, last. Okay, save and save. Now I export wall scrap data. First I clean wall filter, total 1.5k data, and select wall, apply. Okay, select my wall data and now I click export verified email only and export record. Okay, continue my scrapping file. So if you want data and method, please contact me. I will give you everything. Okay, just loading. Okay, download. Okay, this is my Apollo scraping file. This is my email, verifying first name, last name. Okay, title, company, email, and everything here. Industry, keyword, personal, LinkedIn, website, company profile, Facebook, city, state, company, everything here. Just fresh data, not error. Okay, thank you everyone.